What up, YouTube? We actually over here at the crib. See, we got the Cadillac on jack stands. Man, let me tell you, I was racing a Mustang up here by the crib. Blew this thing up, man. So we gonna get the motor pulled out of it, get a new motor in it, get this thing back up and going. RIP to the motherfucking Cadillac. Damn. All the way to the crib. All right, go to the next one. Behind it. Lift it up. So if it does that, then you push it over to break it loose. Ugh. All right, now press it hard. Press the button hard. There you go. Move on to the next one. Let's pop the hood. So I already got the heads off, got the cam out. All the cam, lifters, everything is actually good. It broke piston number 1 and it broke the rod. You can barely see it, but yeah, that piston is just, you can see it's cracked completely. So I already got the cylinder heads fixed and everything. I just need to get this block out of the vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, get the AC compressor off, hang it out the way, get the starter, transmission bolts and all that out, and then get the transmission hung up. Got the cherry picker in La Troca. She's gonna help me pull it out so we can get the motor pulled out of this beast right here. Today's the day. Just waiting for the sun to stop hitting right here. Me, my girl, my son. Well, my girl, my son, and I is what they'd want me to say. Are gonna pull the motor out of this thing. All right, we're getting the car uncovered. Waiting for my son and my girl to come out here now. Just getting all the tools set up. Got the engine lift plate. Got all of our sockets. Got some extra wrenches. And then got a little bag of just tools, got some lights and some wobbles, some Allen wrenches and all that, just in case we need it. Got the jack, so we're gonna get the bottle jacks and the other jack moved out. We're gonna push the car back a bit, get it back up in the air so I can get all the bell housing bolts. We can access these couple of ones across the top. Those aren't too bad, and then we'll get the engine lift plate put on, get the engine out of here. Get up under the car real quick. Ratchet strap up the transmission and the exhaust. That way when we pull the motor out, we got something at least holding it in place. So we got the car back down. So we're gonna start getting the bell housing bolts out. I'm gonna have her start getting the top bolts out while I get the AC compressor off on this side. I got the light in hand, ready to power it up. He got his gloves on. What's up, bro?
So I gotta take all the way out.
All the way out, because we got to get the motor out. So we got to take every bolt out. One on the bottom side, you got to bust that one loose. Just be careful of your wrists and stuff. There's going to be 2 more on this side. There's one there, and then there's one more on the same location as that one. You getting that one over there, baby? Mm-hmm. Nice, nice. LJ with the light support. Here, thank you. Go ahead and put these in this bag and we'll label them up. Gotta label them all. She's getting this bottom corner one now. All right, LJ, let's get these AC compressor bolts off. Come on, come over here. We're gonna take the AC compressor off the engine. So, here, go ahead and set your light up here. Grab the wrench for me. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's push and break this bolt loose. Push forward, not pull. We're gonna push. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Push, bro. Push. Push. There we go. Push. All right, you got that one loose. Hey, push. Push for me. I'm holding the push, push, push. Oh, it's pretty tight. All right, we got those 2 loose. All right. You got one out, and then the one in the front right there. You could have came in the front of it, but it's okay. You got it.
Oh, what do you mean?
No, you got it. All right, good job.
How do I do that?
Push the bolt in. Yeah, there you go. You got it, babe. Good job. You figured it out. Now we got all the bell housing bolts out across the top. We got the 2 upper AC compressor bolts out. So now we'll go ahead and take the AC tensioner off down there, and then we'll reposition the car so we can jack it back up and start pulling the engine out. Break it loose. There you go. Good job, babe. Good job. LJ with the light on deck. Getting that AC tensioner off. We'll get it pushed back. Hater.
I love the car.
Getting it out, man.
Mm-hmm.
I'll help you hold it in place.
There you go.
Wiggling it helps. It's just a pain because it's in like such tight quarters. I got you, babe. You don't need to be cutting up them beautiful hands. We're getting the bottom bolts loose now on the AC compressor. Bam. There you go. There you go. Good job, babe. Now you just gotta ratchet it, quick ratchet. I'll hold this out your way. There we go. There you go. Yep. Keep going. Keep quick ratcheting. Yep. Back and forth, just like that. Hold one hand. Yep. Look at you. Look just like me. Look at that. You look just like me. All right, Giselle got the AC compressor off and out of our way. So let's go ahead and push the car back. I'm gonna grab the keys from inside. And we're gonna push it back, reposition it, and jack it up so we can get the bottom bell housing bolts and get the motor pulled. Let's grab the keys. My glove is super rich. Caddy keys. It is fast and it does sound cool. Well, it don't sound cool right now, but we got the car repositioned. So let's go ahead and pull the keys out of the ignition real quick. Got a couple of things behind the tires. So we're gonna jack the car up, get them bottom bell housing bolts. Babe, if you wanna, LJ, if you wanna help Giselle grab the cherry picker from the backyard, you guys can roll the cherry picker over here. It's in the back over there. You can help her guide it over this way. Just watch your ankles, okay? Here, set the light down if you want. Just put it down over here by the jack stands and the jack. All right, we got one side jacked up. We're jacking up this passenger side now. So we can get a jack stand underneath it. Let's grab a jack stand. Dang, baby, your arms are all dirty and stuff. Woo! My gloves is ripped. I know, right?
Mine are not.
I know, because you're just holding the flashlight. You doing whatever your dad's son does. Gets yelled at for holding the flashlight. What you guys can do for me is, you see these bolts that are sticking out?
Yeah.
Unscrew these 6 from here. Take them all out real quick. And then that plate is actually gonna bolt up right up on top of the engine. So I don't know if LJ wants to take 1 or 2 out. All right, so I'm gonna move my strap out the way real quick so I can get to this one bolt and I'll put it back up. And then I got 1 up there, and then I'm sure I got 1 on the other side for the bell housing. And that should be it. We'll drop the starter down and then get the motor mount bolts and the studs taken out of the brackets. All right, we got the stud out. We got the both motor mount bolts out. Got the starter just hanging here. Got the harness off the side of the motor. I'm just gonna check for a couple more grounds, and then on this side we just have this bottom 21 with the stud. So let's get that out. Start pulling the motor. All right, so we got all the bell housing bolts out. We got the motor mount bolts out, the top and the bottom, and then all the wiring disconnected from the motor. Let's go ahead and start pulling. All right, we got the cherry picker all hooked up. Let's go ahead and start pulling this up here. All right, watch the front bumper.
Yeah.
Okay, we're right where it needs to be. You can come back a little bit, please. All right, this should be good. So on this one, it just lowers right here. So we'll lower this down real quick. And then we'll hook the chain to this. Yep, so go ahead and start pumping it out. And it's gonna start lifting the engine forward, yep. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. All right, we got the engine coming out with the teamwork. We all dirty and sweaty, but engine is coming out. You can see the rod hanging out the bottom of the oil pan right there. That was hanging us up as well. All right. Yeah, let me just get this harness off the clutch. Okay. Yep. Check it out for me, please. Oh, man. Oh, wow. There's a big hole in this side of the motor, too. I didn't even know that. Woo. Sheesh. Did some damage. All right. You start pulling back towards the house, please. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go up higher again. Keep pumping. We just don't want to scratch the hood, so little by little. Perfect enough space. He's over here recording with his iPad. All right, that should be good, babe. Let's pull it back a little bit. All right. Oop, that's my fault. Yep, and then all the way up. Trying to hold the motor over from hitting. All right, that's good. Now we can pull it. Whew. Wow, so we can see the carnage right here. The rod's hanging out the bottom of the oil pan. There's a big hole in the motor on the passenger side. So the block is no good. Yeah, look at that widowed inspection hole right there. Yep, and then the rod is hanging through the block. It tried to punch through the motor and it went through the oil pan. And it actually hit my hard line of my rack and pinion right there. So I'm gonna have to replace that balance line or get it fixed. Good thing there's some places in town that do so. All right, getting the last jack stand out. All right. Start lowering the car down. Got the bricks behind the tires. All right, so we got all the tie points down. Got the cover over the Cadillac over in the rocks now. Got the engine all the way up there. In the morning, we'll go ahead and take this to the shop. We'll get the engine on the cherry picker and get the engine torn down, get the crank out. Pray to God that it's good. It's Arizona weather, having you sweating like crazy, but yeah, let's go ahead. We'll get the rest of the cars back in the driveway, get the truck back in the front. See y'all at the shop in the morning. All right, got everything back over to the shop. Getting motor pulled down. Damn, I didn't even notice that hole right there. But yeah, we're gonna get the crank out. So we're gonna start pulling the pistons of the rods, get the studs out the block, get this rear main cover off, and get everything bagged up and labeled. I already got the clutch off over there. Uh-oh. Looks like we got a new heart. Got the heads. Here comes 3.0 with some fully ported heads with chamber work, aftermarket valves, manly keepers. Got the valve head sticking out a lot more. All the way down, everything's fresh. Just got to get a set of pistons and rods for this 6.2 block. Gonna have the Cadillac back up and going real soon. Y'all ain't gonna wanna miss this one. Stay tuned.